Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix Windows 10 freezing issue or hanging issue by the simplest way. Here is my brand new machine. All components are brand new. There is no problem with my hardware and I still facing freezing issue or hanging issue. The problem is power saving. Sometimes our power saving settings not giving power to our GPU, graphics card or any other hardware and our machine suddenly stop working and it is freezing. That is our issue and we are going to fix this issue by the simplest way. Go to the start and type control panel. Click on the control panel. In control panel, find power options. Click on the power options. In power options, we find two options. We can select any option that you like. We go with the balanced or power saving. Power saver. In balance, we find change plan settings. Here we also find change plan settings. Go to the selected plans and go to the change plan settings. Here we find change advanced power settings. Click on the change advanced power settings. Minimize it. Here we find power options advanced settings. Here go to the PCI Express. Go to the PCI Express. Here we find link state power management. Expand it. Here we find settings. In settings, we find our selected settings. Click at here. Click at once again at here. And here we find moderate power saving. And next option is maximum power settings. Go to the off these settings. Click on apply. Click on OK. Restart your machine. And your problem is 110% solved. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.